Hey Geek, so let's talk about traveling. As you're probably seeing in a lot of YouTube videos, there's a lot of travel vloggers out there, and it is an amazing experience if you're able to do it. But let's go ahead and talk about the realities of travel, especially if you're thinking about being a travel vlogger. The first pro is obvious: traveling, visiting other places, experiencing the world. I think that is really awesome, and whether you're a creator or not, if you're able to, I highly recommend that you do that. But the actual reality of it is, it's not as easy as a lot of people make it out to be, especially if you're looking at a lot of YouTube videos where they just highlight the best parts. In reality, doing this on a regular basis requires a lot of planning. It requires you to actually think outside of your surrounding areas if you've never done it. And obviously it takes money and time to do this. And so if you are planning to travel a lot and do this regularly, just understand that it's not always going to be awesome. There's always going to be things that you're not prepared for. And if you're not planning correctly, then it can actually be a disaster and you wish that you never left in the first place. But in general, if you are able to travel, expand your knowledge, expand your experiences, and also become a better creator overall, I do highly recommend that you travel and make sure that you have things planned out so that you can have the best experience possible. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at geekoutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.